Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. If a to the x power equals to b, b to the y power equals to c, and c to the z power equals to a, then what is the value of x times y times z? Okay, here we have three equations. Okay, now let me write the given three equations as it is. That is a to the x power equals to b, b to the y power equals to c, and c to the z power equals to a. Okay, now let me consider the third equation. Here c to the z power equals to a. Since c to the z power equals to a, we can plug in this c to the z power for a over here. When I do so, I am getting c to the z power. Here I plug in this c to the z power for a over here. Already we have the exponent x for a. The same exponent x should be taken over here equals to b. Okay, now let me consider the power of a power rule in exponent. That is a to the mth power whole to the power n. Here we have base a and we have exponent m for this base a, and for this complete stuff again we have an exponent n. Whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents. When I multiply the two exponents, I am getting a to the power m times n. So the same thing we can do over here, because here we have the base c and we have the exponent z, and for the complete stuff we have the exponent x. So now we can multiply the two exponents over here as I explained the power of a power rule in exponent. Okay, then we get c to the power of, when I multiply z and x, I am getting z times x, or it can be written as x times z equals to b. Okay, now let me consider the second equation over here. We have b to the y power equals to c. Since b to the y power is equal to c, we can plug in this b to the y power for c over here. Then I am getting b to the y power whole to the power of x times z. So for this c, I plugged in this b to the y power. Already we have the exponent x times z that I have written over here as it is equals to b. Again, we can use the power of a power rule in exponents. That is the stuff what we have discussed over here. So whenever we have two exponents like this, what we can do is we can multiply the two exponents. When I multiply these two exponents, I'm getting y times x times z. Otherwise, it can be written as x times y times z equals to b. Okay, here we have the same base on both sides. Here we have base b, here also we have base b. The exponent we have on the left side is x times y times z. What is the exponent of this b? Actually, we don't have any exponent for this base b on the right side. Whenever there is no exponent, we can assume there is exponent 1. Now, two terms are equal with the same base b. Whenever two terms are equal with the same base, what we can do is we can equate the exponents. When I equate the exponents, I'm getting x times y times z equals to 1. Okay, now I got the value of x times y times z. Its value is just 1. B, find this 1 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.